Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to request articles from Interlibrary Loan. So while we try at the Flint Thompson Library to have access to everything you could possibly want, sometimes that is not the case. But we do have a service called Interlibrary Loan that will ask other libraries around the country and the world to send us either physical books, which are detailed in another video, or electronic copies of articles or even book chapters, which is what we're going to be focusing on here. So if you're doing a literature review or you're coming across something and you're not able to get access to it through the library, always check with the librarian to double check to make sure that you did all the searching. But in the meantime, if that fails, you could always come to our homepage here, and under services, this is where we have this link to our Interlibrary Loan services. On this page, there is definitely some more information about, what to do kind of before using Interlibrary Loan. So double checking the catalog and journal search, even making sure that you do contact a librarian. But again, once all those kind of all those options are exhausted, then you're going to click on the log into Iliad link here. You'll need to log in with your unique name and password. Of course, you'll need to do the Duo mobile login if necessary. And then once you come, it comes to a University of Michigan library page like this. So we do outsource our interlibrary loan activities through the Ann Arbor Library, and they are really good about helping us. And this is something that, again, we kind of outsource to them. But in order to put in a new request, or actually, let's start on this page. So on this page, you'll see things that you already have requested. So either they are electronically received articles that you're seeing here. If you have any items that are currently checked out, you can see that. And any outstanding requests are going to be down here at the very bottom. To place a new request, you just come up to the top of the toolbar here, and it's going to ask you to kind of select what item you're looking for. So you'll see article, which is going to be an electronic copy of something. Other things that you could receive electronically are going to include like book chapters and a thesis or a graduate work. So that's either a dissertation or a thesis. And the loan is actually going to be a physical item, which again, we cover in a different tutorial. But today we're going to focus on article. And the reason they're kind of stripped out from ebooks or book chapters and things like that is mainly because the information that you need to kind of include is going to be different. So on this article request page, if you have the DOI, the digital object identifier for a particular item, which I do, you could actually put that in here and click autofill. And what should happen is that it should actually bring back everything that you need. Now, if you did not have this DOI number, you could actually input and type in the title of the journal, the title of the article that is within that journal, add in those author numbers and, the volume, the year, pages, anything that is required or has this, red required notice next to it, you will need to fill out. Okay. So this is really why the DOI is really nice. So the only thing that you might need to put in here is the OCLC number. This is definitely more for kind of physical materials. I'm just going to put NA in it, so not available. And then at the very end down here, if you need this for a particular project, or you are going to have something due and before the kind of deadline of it's usually about 3 months, that they'll spend searching for something before they'll say, oh, we can't find it. If you need it before that, you can change the not wanted after date, but otherwise, you just go ahead here and definitely go down and click submit request. And then after you submitted the request, you'll notice that it adds it down here to my outstanding request box. Now, once I get this in, it will come into my electronically received articles, and I will be able to go in and download it, I believe up to about 5 times, and then, keep that PDF forever. The other thing that will happen is that it will expire. The link will go away after a certain number of weeks too. So once you get that email stating that your article is ready to go, please go ahead and log back into this page to get access to that. All right, so that's my tutorial on downloading or requesting articles through Interlibrary Loan. If you have any questions, please reach out to a librarian.